fix Meta AI not available on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix if your Meta AI is not showing it in your Instagram account. So for that, just simply open your Instagram account, and after that just simply log into your Instagram account and see whether you can see the Meta AI feature in your Instagram account in the chat box or not. And if you can't see it, so for example, in my case, I can also not see the Meta AI version of the Instagram in my account as of now, because the update has been rolling out and it will take some time for Instagram to roll out properly in all the accounts out there all around the world. So in order to fix that, just simply open your Play Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Instagram. And over here just see if there is any update pending regarding your Instagram or not, and if there is, just simply click on update and update your Instagram accordingly. And once you update your Instagram Meta AI function should be available in your Instagram account. And if you still can't see the Meta AI feature in your Instagram account, just simply open your settings, and over here just simply search for apps, and over here just go to the app management, and over here just simply search for Instagram. And now just scroll down and click on storage users, and over here just simply click on clear cache and clear the Instagram cache from your settings, and that might definitely fix your Meta AI not showing problem in the Instagram account. So this is basically how you will be able to fix Meta AI not available on Instagram. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.